Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you guys are new over here, then welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. If you are struggling in English, don't worry, I'm also struggling in English. We will work together in English, we will learn together in English. Then our English upgrade from 0 in 8 months level. Don't worry, I'm also beginner in English. I am learning in English with my real life experience. Don't worry, we should learn together. Please watch this video till the end. I will share my experience, my tips, how I am improving in English, but I am beginner in English. I have no idea how to talk in English, but I am learning in English. Um, when I started making video, I feel comfortable um, while recording this video. So you can also record your video and upload YouTube platform. So I am beginner in English. I am when I speak, I always repeat word, right? Repeated, but I am beginner in English. Please forget me and don't worry. So right now I what I wrote three what 1 2 3 4 5 vocabulary, simple vocabulary. And first is confidence, right? Spelling of confidence, CONFIDENT. Confident mean what? Confidence mean when I started confident. Right here is I wrote confidence. Now I am going to making sentences, right? So confident. When I started my English speaking journey, I felt confident, right? I am confident while making videos. Whatever you think in English, you can first of all you think in your mind, and you can speak in English. If you don't think in your mind, it's okay, you can speak in English, right? So I'm also this method and improve, right? Here is improve, right? Second is I wrote improve. You can also see, right? Improve. I want to improve my English with clarity, with confidence, right? Without any nervousness. Improve. I want to improve in English, right? And whatever you think you want to make sentences, please you can also make your sentence. Please forget about your afraid to make mistake, forget about your nervousness. You can whatever you think in English, you can try speak in English your real life experience, right? I'm also learning this method. And second is mistake. When I started my English speaking journey, I I make lots of mistake, right? I made I made lots of mistake. I what I yeah, mistake makes our confidence boost, right? Making mistake help us our what dream big. Mistake is it's okay, we should try whatever, right? And practice. When I wake up early in the morning, I always practice in English in front of mirror, in front of my brother, right? In front of my father, in front of my mother, whatever. Practice makes us confidence, right? Here is journey. You can also what? You can also what? Uh, journey. My English speaking journey going amazing, right? The journey is amazing. Yeah, whatever, you can also try your best. Please, you can also give your best. Try to make try to speak with vocabulary, simple vocabulary, right? So I try five vocabulary. First is confidence, second is improve, third is mistake, fourth is practice, and fifth is journey. So my journey going amazing. I now when I finished my record this video, I upload. So youtube platform helps me my confidence boost, and I felt what amazing, whatever, I felt confident, right? So you should try to this method. This method help us amazing. Please try these sentences. You can also try whatever. Thank you so much for watch this video till the end. Thank you so much. Please comment me and subscribe my channel. If you comment this if you comment my video, I will improve next day, right? Practice makes us man perfect. We know already about these sentences. So thank you so much. Lots of love from my side. Bye bye. Have a good day, good night. So please, you can also try this method.